We are going to talk about Glasgow Coma Scale. Glasgow Coma Scale is one of the most important topic from every aspect, whether it is a objective paper or a subjective paper. This is a very important topic, right? Now moving ahead, the Glasgow Coma Scale was given by Glasgow Medical College. Here we are going to check the patient on 4 scales. We are going to check, observe, stimulate and rate the patient. Now how we are going to do this? Let's see. So for example, if any kind of injury has happened, or if better to say any kind of major trauma has taken place, now patient comes to the hospital and you have to rate the condition or the health of the patient at that time. For that you use this Glasgow Coma Scale, right? The first thing you have to do in such condition is check. Now what are you supposed to check? You have to check that there is no noise in the room, appropriate lighting is there so that you can examine the patient properly, and the patient is sitting or lying down in a very comfortable position. So what you have to check is the surrounding area of the patient. Next, what you have to keep in mind is observe what? Observe that without any touch or without any calling name, like without any stimulus, how the patient is reacting, that you have to observe. Next, what you have is stimulate. Now stimulate means you can use certain kind of stimulus in this step. Okay, now the stimulus here could be a sound, like a sound stimulus or a physical stimulus. So in the sound stimulus we will call the patient's name and we will see if the patient is reacting or not. And in the physical one, we can use the fingertip pressure, trapezius muscle could be pinched, and we can also give pressure to the supraorbital knots. This will help us to know that if the patient is responding well enough or not. Now these were just some extra points which to be remembered. The main Glasgow Coma Scale, it starts from there, that is rate. Now on every step you have to rate the patients, and this rating is done on 3 parameters. To remember this, the mnemonics I have here is this one that says EVM, that is also the electronic voting machine. So this EVM will help you to remember this, right? So for this EVM, the mnemonics is the electronic voting machine. How are you going to remember? The E here stands for I, V is for verbal, and M is for motor. So first we are going to see the I response of the patient. In the I response, we are going to have, okay, one more thing you have to remember, the I is going to have 4 parameters of 4 scoring limits. V will be having 5 scoring limits, M will be having 6 scoring limits, right? So for I, what we are going to see is if the patient is opening the eyes spontaneously, like he is very well oriented, he is looking everything around, लाइट को भी देख रहा है, आपको भी देख रहा है, जो वार्ड बॉय खड़ा है, सिस्टर खड़ी है, सबको देख रहा है, ही इज कंप्लीटली कॉन्शियस, दैट इज व्हेन यू गिव 4 on 4, राइट? And if the patient is opening his eyes only on verbal commands, like जब आप उसका नाम लो सिर्फ तभी वो eyes खोले, that is when you give him 3 points out of 4. Eyes open only to pain. What kind of pain? The pain is actually applied on the fingers. So you put pressure on the edge of the finger of the patient. And जब आप उसके fingers को press करते हो, then he opens his eyes. That is when you give 2 scores out of 4. And when the patient is not opening the eye, that is when you give him a score of 1 out of 4, right? Which is considered to be very poor or even worst score. Moving to the next parameter, that was verbal response. In the verbal response, I told you we are going to have 5 scorings. Now the first one is oriented. He will tell you everything about what happened, about the accident. Okay, he will tell you from where he was traveling, then this truck hit him, and then he fall down on his that road, then few people came, he brought him to the hospital. He will remember everything. He is very well oriented. In that condition you will give 5 out of 5. Okay, if the patient is confused in his conversation but still he is trying to answer, that is when you give 4 out of 5. Now when you're getting a inappropriate response, and many a times patient is not able to form any sentence, वो सिर्फ words में ही बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है, हाँ ना नहीं, that is when you give 3 out of 5. And incomprehensible sounds and speeches are when the patient is not actually speaking anything but he is just groaning in pain or moaning in pain. That is what you say as a score 2 out of 5. No verbal response, when the patient is unconscious, he is literally giving no response. Okay, in such conditions you're going to give a score of 1 out of 5. So that is how you're supposed to grade the verbal response. Last is the motor response. In the motor response, if the patient is completely obeying to your command, so for example, अगर आप patient को बोलो to make a fist and he will make a fist. If you ask him to move his finger, he will move his finger. So that is when you say that the patient is completely oriented. He is having a 6-on-6 motor response, right? When there is a purposeful movement of the painful stimulus. Now see in this picture. For example, this is your hand, okay? This is your hand. This is the doctor's hand, and he is pressurizing, or he is putting pressure here on the shoulder neck region. Now what will happen? The patient will immediately raise up his hand and he will try to move your hand because he is feeling pain here. Now this is said as purposeful movement to a painful stimulus. To a painful stimulus, that was your hand. He moved his hand and removed your hand, right? That is localizing to pain. उसको पता चल रहा है कि कहाँ दबाने से दर्द हो रहा है और उसे हाथ हटाना है. That is what you say as purposeful movement. And here you give a score of 5 out of 6. Withdrawals from the pain. Now in second condition, what we will see, that you are putting pressure and he is trying to move his hand, but वो clavicle bone like collar bone से ऊपर अपना hand लेकर नहीं आ पाएगा. Flexion तो करेगा but not more than that. That is what you say as withdrawals from pain. So वो completely अपना hand ऊपर तक नहीं ला पाएगा. ठीक है? That is in this case you're going to give 4 out of 6. Next what you have is a abnormal flexion. In this case what happens, again पेशेंट को पेन फील होगा जो आप यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसके शोल्डर पे, बट वो now this time he'll not be able to bring his hand even this much. What will happen? He'll bring his hand up a little bit, and then what you will see, there would be a abnormal flexion which will happen. He'll start to move his fist in a very frequent way, or a very fast or quick way. He'll start moving his fist, and he'll not be able to make his hand till the pain which is occurring. That is when you give a score of 3 out of 6. Extension is a rigid case. In a rigid case, what will happen? No matter how much pressure you apply, he will not be able to move his hand. Extension is something when your hand is completely straight like this, and flexion is something when you will be able to move your hand upwards like this. So till here the flexion will be seen. That means he will be able to fold his hand and try to move the hand upwards. But in the case where we are giving just 2 points after 6, only extension is going to happen, and that to a rigid extension. Hand will be completely straight. Patient will not be able to move his hands upward. Lastly, what we have is a no motor response. No motor response, very easy to understand. Patient is not responding at all. That is what you say as a no motor response. See, here we are going to give a score of 1 on 6. So basically what you have to remember, when you calculate all these different scores, it comes out to be a total of 15. So we can say when we are giving rating, we have to give a rating from 15. So in case of minor brain injury, your patient will have a rating of about 13 to 15 points, right? So whenever you have this scenario or this case, in a case of minor brain injury, there will be a point of 13 to 15 which the patient will gain. In moderate brain injury, there will be 9 to 12 points the patient will be gaining. And in cases of severe brain injury, the Glasgow Coma Scale rating will be 3 to 8 points. Make things more easy for you, see, we have just studied about the eye opening response, right? The eye response, which was actually total 4. Remember, in the eye we have seen total 4 of it, right? See, eye is 4, verbal is 5. This is clear. To remember this, I have a small mnemonics here for you. It's not a mnemonics, basically it's a very funny thing. So if the eyes of the patients are open, imagine this has eyes, okay? आइज जो है पेशेंट के एकदम वाइड ओपन है, इसका मतलब स्पॉन्टेनियस रिस्पॉन्स है, मतलब कि द पेशेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिंग इन अ वेरी गुड वे. ही कैन हियर एंड सेंस एवरीथिंग विच इज गोइंग अराउंड हिम. देन यू आर गोइंग टू गिव हिम अ स्कोर ऑफ 4 out of 4. And in case you can see the structure. It feels like someone is talking, a duck is talking, right? So that is your verbal stimuli. Here you are going to give a response of 3. So the numbers here will help you to create a figure which will help you to remember किसको क्या response देना है. ठीक है. Next what you have to paint. अब आपने grading क्या बनाया? 4, 3, 2 and 1, right? This is what you have made. And every number is telling you the response as well. फोर्थ में spontaneous response होगा, थर्ड में आपका verbal response होगा, मतलब patient will speak something, he'll try to speak something. In 2 what will happen? Only on giving pain or only on poking the person, मतलब उसकी finger को press करने पर या उसे poke करने पर ही सिर्फ response मिलेगा. That is when you give a number or grading as 2. एंड 1 आप कब दोगे? जब आइज जो है वो बिल्कुल क्या है? शट है. इमेजिन द आइज ऑफ द पेशेंट, दे लुक लाइक आइज, राइट? So imagine the eyes are completely closed, and at that condition you're going to give the score or the grading 1. Now coming to the verbal response, similarly a verbal response matlab voice, so you just write voice like this on a paper, okay? And then you will see in the first one V here, this will tell you a voiceless person. ठीक है, V से क्या हो गया? voiceless person. जैसे आप क्या grading हो गए? अब यहाँ हम उल्टा जा रहे हैं. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's see first for 1. In 1 there would be no noise or no verbal response. कोई response नहीं आएगा patient की तरफ से. In grading or rating number 2, patient will give you a very little response, that too a very incoherent sound. Okay, so basically कोई response भी नहीं है, सिर्फ sounds है. That I told you ना, the simple groaning sounds because of pain, सिर्फ वही sounds देखने को मिलेगी आपको. Then when are you going to give him a score of 3 out of 5? You will give him a score of 3 out of 5 when there will be inappropriate words. Only words will be there. हाँ, ना, नहीं. As such कोई sentence formation नहीं होगा. When are you going to give him a score of 4 out of 5? When the patient is confused and disoriented. He's confused but still he's giving you responses, okay? He'll be speaking in broken words, broken sentences, but still he's trying to give you some response. And the last one is when you will give 5 into 5. You will give 5 out of 5 when there is a elegant speech. So voice में E से क्या हो जाएगा? Elegant speech. मतलब the patient is completely oriented and he can tell you everything correctly. So to remember the eye response and verbal response, you can use this trick. But to remember this particular motor response now, which is 6 out of 6 score, you have to remember this chart. This chart will help you. Hope this video was useful to you. If you like this, please let me know your reviews in the comment box and suggest me some new topics. Thank you.